this generator produces double phase, but can I move it here, the board, to convert this generator into a single phase European?
Yeah.
Yes, according with that. You move it here, those combination. Everybody follow me? I receive a vote today, and that vote is European vote. I start the generator and I check the power in the output breaker of the generator, and I have 230, 50 hertz in one phase. Everybody follow me? And no, I need convert that generator into 240, 60 hertz. I need move it those terminals like this. This is number one. I go to the back end, I open the back end, I founded the board, that board, and I move it the terminal to that configuration. That's number one. I reconfigure that one, pin, 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 and this is my output phase one, my output phase two, and this one will be my neutral. No problem. Excuse me, but I need modify the RPM. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, I connect my voltmeter in the breaker. If I start right now, I move it. If I start right now the generator is producing 240, but 50 hertz. Okay, no problem. I put my voltmeter in the output of the breaker right now. I have 240, and I change for frequency 50. Okay, is this all? What I need to do is this all. Come on, I have this ball. I lose that knot and I move it this one, 52, 56, 57, 59, 60. In that point, excuse me, I have my multimeter in the output breaker. However, on the main panel, everything is off. That's okay? All right. Now I turn on that breaker. I have power on the panel, and I start to apply load.
Yeah, small load.
Okay, smaller loads, fans, lights, and I hear how the generator responds. Okay, okay, good. Let me put the other fans. Okay, good. Let me put the first air conditioning unit. Okay, good. Let me put the second one. All of them. Now it's full load. 37 amps is good. Full load, voltage 240, individual phase 1 120, phase 2 120, and frequency stay 60. Perfect. I convert my generator. I like it.